Crypto Switzerland. Today I'm going to show you how I scan for PancakeSwap coins, what's my process like, how I filter good from bad coins. And before we get into the video, make sure to join my Discord channel, the link is in the description. We already at 1k members and I post all my calls here. So if you don't want to lose money or if you're inexperienced, just join this and follow my calls, because like most of them are safe. We had like one bad call so far, and yeah. The community is really cool. You can also post your calls here on the members section, and there we also have a Telegram. You can also join that one. The link is down below. So I made a post there actually just like 20 minutes ago and already exploded because of my community, I think. Yeah, so make sure to join. Alright, so how do I filter coins? So basically I use a tool right here for the new coins, but you can also use PooCoin. It's exactly the same. You can go to this website, PooCoin.point.app/ape, and here you can see all the new coins. And now I'll show you what I look for in new coins. Let's go to PancakeSwap here and let's go to new tokens. So we have the exact same interface as you guys have if you're looking in PooCoin. Alright, so the first thing I always look at is the liquidity. That's basically the first thing I look at. If the liquidity is at 0, then I do not purchase that coin because it's a scam. So basically they should have at least 5k. I know some people who trade 2k liquidity coins, but I don't do that. Actually, most of them should have 10k at least. I don't trade below 10k because it's just not enough liquidity. You can dump this coin so hard with a one sale because the liquidity is so low. There are people who are doing that, but I don't. I only trade coins with at least 10k liquidity. So let's go to the next step. I'm gonna open just one here. Let's say Holy Doge. Right, let's open this one. And I'm gonna open all the links. Oh shit, did I press the right one? Alright, not Holy Doge, Rucola swap, whatever. Wait, how much liquidity does this have? Whatever, we'll see now. And to check the liquidity, I can also show you how you can check it. Alright. Well, let me see here. Alright, so here. Yeah, this is 10k liquidity, you can see it here. So the next thing I check is I always go down here and see if there are sales, because if there are no sales, if there are only green buys, that means it's a honeypot. That's the next thing I check. And what I check as next, I also check the chart obviously. Look if there's a huge pump, for example right now there's pumping crazily, and here you can see already the red flag. An unlocked wallet is holding 100% of the Rucola swap LP. And it's not locked. Yeah, that's already a red flag, but I'm gonna show you what I do next. I always go to the BS scan. You can press here on holders. Basically, that's the same. Alright, now here you can see how many holders they have. Oh shit, I have to also open the contract here. First, yeah, I always check the contract, and the contract is verified. You can see the green check mark here. That's always important. If it's not verified, I never buy it. And now I also always type locked to see if it's locked. And here you can see it is not locked. So that's another red flag. But it doesn't always have to be locked. Yeah, how do you say? If it's not locked, it's just more risky basically, but there are successful products without a lock basically. And now the next thing, you can press here on token tracker, Rucola swap, and there you can see the holders. This is actually one of the most important pages out of all, I would say, yeah. And then you go and click on holders, and what you can see here, so here 72% is locked in the contract, but the contract is not locked, as you can see, so that's a bad thing. You already saw this also here on PooCoin. It says an unlocked wallet is holding 100% of the LP and it's not locked. And the next thing you can see here that there's one wallet that's not locked with 9% of the whole supply, so that's a big red flag. So this coin is already like 5 red flags, so I would never invest into this. Yeah, so let's go to another example for you guys. I hope we can find one good one. That would be cool. And let's go to new tokens. Alright. Zoo token, that sounds funny. No, let's take this one. It has 185k liquidity. That is good. That is really good actually. Wow, it's new as well. Wow, this might be a channel. Let's look. And let's open all the links. Why can I not? And as I said, you don't need this tool. You can have everything on PooCoin basically. This just makes it a bit easier basically. Token Sniffer. Oh, I forgot to show you Token Sniffer. I will show you this now. I also checked it often. Oh, never mind. It doesn't work at the moment. Hey, what is this? This is a scam. Look at this market cap. 6 million. And unlocked wallet is holding 100% of the LP. That's another red flag like before. Let's quickly check the contract and holders. Also, other people selling. See, you have no sells. That's a sign of a honeypot. Only green buys. What do you end here? What is this? This is a typical way how they do scams. I'll show you this right now. You can see the contract. This is the contract sign. The contract is on a wallet with 0.1% of the supply, and here you can see that the rest, 99%, is on this unlocked wallet, which they can sell immediately, basically without any delay. And yeah, this is how most scam coins look like actually. They just put a contract on a wallet with barely any supply and lock it, and then it looks like it's safe, but it actually isn't. Yeah, so it's another scam. Let's see. This is why it's so hard to find a good one. There's like 90% of scams. Ocean Crypto Bank. This already sounds like a scam. Let's look. No, wait. Looper Swap. Let's look at this. God, these names get worse and worse every day. Let's open the BScan, PooCoin, Token Sniffer. These are the 3 links I always use. Contain like all information you need. Market cap of 12k again. How many? And look at this. Oh no, there's one sale. Anyways, this is always a scam. I can tell you. The contract is locked. I misverified, not locked, sorry. Let's see. Here you can see no unlock. It doesn't mean it's not locked. And it already told you this on the PooCoin here, the red sign. Right, go to the holders. There's 86 addresses. This is another bad card. Look at this. Here you can see why is it bad? Because even if this was locked, which it isn't, it would still be a bad coin. Because here you can see 20% of the whole supply is on this wallet, which probably belongs to one of the team members, and they can sell this and dump the price like crazy. And here are all the other people who invested, these are probably bots, or I don't know, maybe people who actually bought this. Yeah, another bad one. Let's see what we have. New tokens. It's so hard to find one nowadays. Liquidity. What else do we have? Let's look at one with low liquidity just for fun. OnlyFans. Team. Is this actually a good name? Wait. No, we got Cato. Let's look at this Cato. Yeah. Poolcoin. P-scan. Contract is verified, that's good. Look, I want to show you how wait, they might have it. I hope they have it, so I can show you an example. Lock time. Locks the contract owner for the amount of time provided. Now, this is not how it's supposed to look like. Ah, here it is. This is actually good. Contract is locked until 7 days. This is actually good. Right. Not bad. We maybe found a gem. We'll see right now. This could be traded actually. I think. Let's see. Let's quickly check. It says here it's not locked. Maybe it's not updated. Oh no, it's still here. Let me see. Sometimes it doesn't update actually on Poolcoin. Wait, was I on the wrong one? Oh, those guys, are you kidding me? They actually locked in a burned address, what? Never mind, it's not a good coin. Yeah, these look how this is actually crazy. They locked the burned address, and the rest is on this unlocked one. This is why it shows up here. This is crazy. So yeah, it's definitely not safe to buy this. Told you it's so hard to find good ones. This is next level, actually. People are not buying it though. Yeah. Alright guys, this was it for today. I'm gonna make more videos like this, basically live trading sessions. I hope on one video you'll find a good coin, but it's actually really hard. Yeah, make sure to join the Discord here. It's a really cool community. The link is in the description. Yeah, see you later guys.